Hi, I'm Scott Curry, the creator and lead architect for the Business Intelligence Markup Language, or Biml. Whether you're just hearing about Biml, or even if you're an experienced user, we've got a great opportunity for you to learn more, enhance your skills, and walk away with some code that will be immediately useful in your day-to-day job. We're holding the Biml workshop in Sydney, Australia on February 21st, just a few weeks from now. And we're going to start the day with a high-level overview of some of the core Biml syntax and other concepts that you need to know in order to get started. And then we're going to talk about some VB and C# tips and tricks that will be very useful in getting the most out of your Biml solution. After those first couple of hours of handling the basics, we're going to jump directly into real-world customer solutions and frameworks that not only you'll see how to build these solutions yourself within your own organizations, but even be able to walk away with some code that's going to be immediately useful to you. We're going to start by looking at how to stage data rapidly in an entirely automated fashion. Then we're going to talk about a metadata framework that you can use to collaboratively manage all of the metadata that you use in your organization to drive the automatic creation of your BI and data warehousing solutions. Then we're going to look at a real-world customer solution that actually applies those techniques that we learned earlier in the day in a real production solution that a customer is using today. Then we're going to look at best practices enforcement, and we're even going to talk about Biml in the cloud. So whether you're on premises, or you're doing your BI and data warehousing in the cloud, or you're anywhere in between, Biml will help to make your life easier right away. And at the end of the day, we'll have a VIP party, where we'll have an opportunity to get to know each other a little better and discuss possibilities for deeper partnership and how we can help in increasing adoption of Biml throughout your organization. The Biml Workshop, Sydney, February 21st. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.